When I go through the first breath technique, I can actually feel the warmth moving through my body. I feel it really, once I get here, I really feel it. Like once I get to here, then my hands are warm, this area is warm.
When we do fire up, I do get internally hot, and I feel the energy kind of rising and flowing, and especially when it comes out my third eye and the crown chakra, that seems to feel like it's on fire,
The daily practice is actually very uplifting every day. So you really do feel the energies of the Siwas as you do more and more practice with it. So over time you do build up more energy with them.
Once I get into the breath work and the imagination process of visualizing and calling in that energy, I'm there, I'm ready. It feels really good, and I'm ready for my day. And if I do kind of like a self-energizing healing, then I'm really pumped up and really feel good.
And it feels really well-rounded. Like when I finish that part of my practice, I feel very full, and it usually gives me energy too. I've noticed I do my practice in the evenings most days, and I'll come out of there and be like, hey, to Nick, like, what do you want to do? Are you hungry? How's it going? And he's like, okay, it's time to wind down though. So that part's cool.